Hello. One of the questions that we often get in the field from customers and dealers alike is what hopper is best for our riding sweeper. There's two options we offer. Your standard hopper is a 41-pound steel hopper. And then the optional hopper is this aluminum hopper. It only weighs 13 pounds. The benefit to the steel hopper is it can handle heavier loads, gravel, rocks, welding shot, whereas your aluminum hopper is going to be just fine for debris that might come off of a carpet or just general dust from sweeping a warehouse.
One of the other ways that we can manage debris and load is with either the steel or the aluminum hopper. We can do the split box system. So this allows us to put 3 separate trays inside the hopper. Sweep our debris when we're full and it's time to empty. It's easy to get out, it's got a handle, and then we're dumping each one individually.